is Neha. Today I made an app for people who can't talk. It is called the Reading App for Mute People. They use it to talk from this app. This is how it works. You type something in this box and then you click on this button. You can you change the speed. This is speed 0, speed 1, and speed 2. And this button you can change how low or high the voice is. I'll show you. So I wrote good morning and I'm going to keep speed 1 and the pitch should be 1. And I'm going to click the button.
Good morning. Good morning.
You can write whatever you want in this app. Thank you.